Before we get into the video, I'd like to mention that I've partnered with products and service provider to bring you tools and resources that can help you achieve your goal in this video. The link in the description is an affiliate link, and by using it, you will be supporting this channel at no additional cost to you. This helps me continue creating valuable content for you. Once you click on the affiliate link, you will come to this website, and here you click on form your free LLC now. Then you come to this page. You can see here it has a good Trustpilot rating, 4.5, 4.7 out of 5. So here in the entity type, you'll select LLC, and then state will be Delaware. So once this is selected, you come here, and this is the basic package where you only pay the state fee, and Bizee does not charge any amount to do the formation. However, since you are a non-resident in US, that is, you're not in US, dealing with IRS is going to be a challenge. As you can see on the screen, these are some of the comments which I have got previously, where people tried doing things on their own and it delayed their business, and you don't want to get stuck into that situation. So recommended is standard or premium. This way you will focus on business rather than getting into this paperwork and other stuff. So highly recommended going for standard or premium. And you can see here, if you're going for standard or premium, here in this premium you have expedited filing, 2 days filing time instead of 5 weeks. So you see, you save time, and time is money. Then business contract template, EIN, business tax number. People who had gone for basic, later on they were not able to figure out this EIN part of it, and then they had to take additional service. So this can be avoided when you go for these two packages. Then there are other things like lifetime compliance alert, phone and email support. So considering what you get, you can go for any one of these services. So I'm selecting premium, and as you keep selecting, you will see the order summary changing here, and this is one-time fee. So select premium and click get started. So here you will enter the LLC name. I'm entering mine, Cypher T Sarte LL. So there are different designators here. You can choose the one which you want. I'm keeping as it is, and whatever the name is, it will show up like this. So once this is done, here member information, as you can see, if it is a single person entity, just go with the selection yes include, have your name there. This will avoid you coming and doing this part at later stage, anything of the later stage. So just go with this and click next. You'll come to this contact information page, and here you enter contact details, first name, last name, email and mobile number. Here mobile number will be your country mobile number, like I'm selecting Canada here, so that the team can reach out on this number. Most of the communication will be on email. However, give the correct phone number, and I consent to receive SMS, text message and phone call from Bizee. Once this is done, you click next. The company address information, while the benefit of using private virtual mail address is given, you have to remember that you are not in US, and you would need a US address where all the IRS communication comes. So you would have to choose a business address and a virtual mail address. Once you make this selection, you will get the address suite number will assign on completion of the order, and this costs $29 per month, which you can cancel anytime. So I'm keeping as it is because I'm not in US and I need this. So once this is done, you come down here, and the contact address here you will enter your home country address where the contact can be made when Bizee wants to connect for anything related to IRS or legal correspondence related to your business. So once the address details are entered, click next page. You choose number of members. So I'm choosing 1, and then since it is individual, I'm keeping as it is, and then selecting the name and address which is provided by Bizee. So once I select this, it gets filled in the first name, last name detail, and then click next. Now this registered agent information page, you see, this is free for first 1 year from Bizee, and you need a registered agent who will receive all documents related to IRS, anything legal. So that person will receive, and that person has to be in that particular state. In this case, Delaware. So this service is free. I'm keeping as it is. And after first year, it renews each year, but you can cancel at any time, changing your agent. So I'm keeping as it is. Then coming down, click next. Coming to EIN tax identification number, I am a foreign individual and do not have social security number. So here the response is yes, foreign national, and then I agree. You will have to fill SS4 application. This will be done once the registration happens and you have the detail. You will fill this detail again. Since since this is part of the package here, the SS4 application and EIN, this will be taken care once you say I agree. So whenever that has to be done, you will be sent a form, you will be guided on how to fill the details, where you will be filling in your details, and then you will get the EIN based on the information what is provided. So I agree, selecting the name as it is, and then physical state address that gets filled, and then click next. You have your company and you have your EIN. You will need a bank account in which all the transactions happen, incoming and outgoing in US. So Bizee also has a tie-up with this bank Relay. You can see the details. In case you want to go with them, you can say I'm interested, or you can say ask me later. Once you make that selection, come to this tax strategy and free consultation part, where you can choose the option. In case you want a tax consultation, you can connect. This is free. Or if you don't want, you can make that selection and then click continue. This is the business license and permit part. Here, as you can see, if you already are aware what licenses are required, you can select no thanks. And if you are not sure, you want to go with, then you select yes. And when you do that selection, this will get added to the license package you see here. So it will get added. If you are sure what licenses you need and you go with this option, then in that case, you can just click next. You come to the order summary page where you can check, review, cross-check and recheck. And once you're sure that everything what you have entered is correct, you can go further. So as you can see, whatever you have entered, same thing gets shown to you here. You can just check everything in detail. And once you have checked, you click next. Billing information section, you have option to pay through PayPal or credit card. I've selected credit card here. And then you also get to review the order summary here. Once you have checked the order summary and you say I agree, and then once you do the payment part, this company will go and get your registration done. And in case you have any question, queries, their phone lines are available to you for you to connect with them. They have great reviews on a Trustpilot, more than 60,000 reviews. And then once the registration is done, you will be informed to fill the SS4 form for getting EIN. Once you have your EIN, your licenses, and you have opened your bank account, congratulations, you are ready to run your business in US. So friends, make sure you use the link to get all the benefit what is shown in this video. And thanks for watching.